Publishing report cards to the parent portal can increase parent engagement because it helps parents get in the habit of regularly checking the parent portal where they can see grades and announcements from your school. In this video, I will show you how to publish report cards to the parent portal and how to remind all parents what their login information is. Stay tuned. After creating report cards, choose to publish them online. This puts the link to the report card on the student and parent portal. Be sure to go to Settings, Parent Student, and check Publish Report Cards. If you don't check that box, they can't see it even if you publish them. Now, since even the best of us forget our passwords, I always like to resend the passwords to all the parents. Go to Students, View Export, Login Info Memo. Below is an example of the email that you will be sending. In a K-12 environment, you will see a student checkbox. Make sure to uncheck this box. Doing so will hide the student's login information from the email, ensuring that parents use the parent credentials instead of logging in with a student account. Choose Email to send the mass email now. Lastly, I like to let the students and parents know that the report cards are available in their portal. Go to the Communicate tab, select All Active Parents or All Active Students. Let the parents know that the report cards are ready in their portal and to check their email for the login details. By posting report cards 4 times a year to the parent portal, this encourages parents to use the portal more regularly, and this keeps them more informed about your school events, activities, and ultimately boost parent engagement at your school. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to press like or subscribe. Thank you.